Hi everyone, this is Wei. Today I'm going to introduce our stir fry machine. There are two main types, drum type and the wok type. Today we will focus on the drum type, just this type. The drum type uses a rotating drum that cooks food evenly from all sides, 360 degrees with no dry spot. It also helps break up and mix ingredients easily. This type is great for cooking noodles, rice, pasta, meat, vegetable, and many different dishes. A common question I get is how do I choose the right pot for different ingredients? We offer two types. Number one, regular iron pot, no coating, best for cooking food that doesn't stick easily, like meat and vegetable. Number two, non-stick coating pot, recommended if you often cook fried noodles or rice. The non-stick coating pot does have a limited lifespan, but we can offer double, triple, or even German-made 4-layer coatings for longer use. It can provide 3 to 4 times longer than normal coating, so they are great if you use the machine a lot. If your kitchen space is small, you can choose our tabletop model. It is very easily can set up to the work table, like this. If you have more space, we recommend the cabinet model, which comes with a sink and a drum edge for easier use. And don't worry about cleaning. We provide a high-pressure water spray to help you clean the machine anytime. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to know more about our stir fry machine, feel free to leave a comment or contact us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.